Arranging positive integers in descending order. Example: arrange the following integers in descending order: A, 9, 10, 15, 4, 16, 32, 22, and 28. And for B, we have 34, 26, 28, 56, 100, 95, 75, and 64. Solution. The task we are given is to arrange this number in descending order. And unlike how you will do it when you are arranging in ascending order, this time we do not start from the number with the lowest value, but we first identify the number with the highest value, because the task is to arrange from the biggest to the smallest. So in the case of A, the first question, we have to identify first which of these number has the highest value. You identify them first by the number of digits they have. We see that we have a mixture of 1-digit number and 2-digit number. And naturally, 2-digit number are bigger than 1-digit number. So let's identify first our 2-digit numbers. We have 10, 15, 16, 32, 22, and then 28. Of these numbers that we have highlighted, we have to look out for the one that has the highest value. Natural numbers go from 1 all the way to 9. And when we talk whole numbers, we're looking at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So we count down from 9 to see which one has the highest value in this case by looking at the digits in the tens position. Here we have 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, and 1. Of all of these, the highest number here is 3. That tells us that our biggest number of this set of numbers is the number 32. So we put that down. That's our biggest number. We do not have any other number within that range, so we go to the next number. That is when we count down from 3. The next number we should have should fall in 2. So that is, we have 2 here, 2 here, and that's it. So just 2 of them. Of these 2, to identify which one is the highest, we look at the number that follows it. Here we have 8, here we have 2. And when you count down from 9, after 9 we have the number 8. That means the next number is 28, followed by 22. Now we have dealt with those numbers. Then when we count down from 2, we have the number 1. Where we have here 1, 1, and 1. So we count down from 9 down to see which one is higher by considering the second digit in these 3 cases. So from 9, we have 8, yes, then 7, then 6. So the number 16. After that, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. We have organized this in descending order. Now we go to the single digits. We have 4 and we have 9. Of 4 and 9, which one has the highest value? 9. So we write 9 and then we end this with 4. By doing this, we have arranged this set of number from the biggest one to the smallest one. That is, the biggest number in this set is 32 and the smallest is 4. Now do the same to B. Working with the set of numbers we have in B, we see that here we have 2-digit number and then a 3-digit number. In this case, the biggest number we have will be the 3-digit number, so we put that first. So the biggest number in this set is 100. Now we go to the 2-digit numbers. We have 64, 75, 95, 56, 28, 26, and 34. Which of these has the highest value? We consider the number in the tens place value. We have 6, 7, 9, 5, 2, 2, and 3. And when we count down from 9, we would have the number 9 first. That is, we have 95. Yes. After the number 95, we go down. After 9, we have 8. We don't have any 8 here. Then to 7, we have 75. Followed by 6. So that is 64. Then to 5. 56. 4. We do not have any 4. Then to 3. 34. And then 2. Here we have 2 of them. So we have the number 26 and the number 28. So we consider the second digit. So we count down again. 9, then 8. 28, 7, then 6. 26. Just like that, we have arranged these numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number. Try this with numbers around you. Thank you.